girl. I've not seen her, but her voice, like from the voice, you know that she's beautiful.
Dude, again, a blind date again. Remember the last one, man?
The last one, I made a mistake. No, trust me, this one, I'm 100% sure.
Aren't you tired of this? Come on, every time it's a blind date.
Guy, why are you so negative? I'm telling you something, like this girl is beautiful. Like, you need to hear the voice. She's calling. Wait, look, you will know by the voice. Yes, hear the voice, you know. She's beautiful. She's calling me once again.
Alright, then, look, all the best, man.
Okay, thanks, man. Hello, baby. Yes. Yes, I can see you. Yes, I'm the one waving at you right now. Man, you're beautiful, eh? Either I told you, you're always negative. I'm here. What is it, babe? Sorry. Hello, Tina, you just walked past me. Hello?
I'm here. Hi. Hey, baby.
Yeah, where?
I'm your blind date now, Tina.
I'm blind you.
Yes.
No, you have the wrong person.
No,
I'm waiting for my mother.
what can yes, now this is your name.
I say I'm waiting for my mother. Hello, mommy. Mommy.
Wait now.
Please, can you leave me alone? Mommy, I'm coming to the shop now.
Listen, Pa.
Mommy.